Convenience store moon, neon on your face, 2 cups of warm coffee in a quiet little place. It's almost 1 in the morning, the streets are half asleep. I came in for something simple, something sweet and cheap. You were standing by the noodles, reading labels like a song. I don't know why I smiled first, but it didn't feel wrong. No fancy lights, no crowded room, just a blue and silver moon. And somehow in this tiny store I wanted to know you more. Under the convenience store moon, I met you too soon, or maybe right on time, with your sleepy eyes on mine. Under the convenience store moon, the night felt soft and new. Nothing big was meant to start, but you walked into my heart. You asked which drink was better, I said the peach one never fails. You laughed and bought 2 bottles like we already had a tale. We sat outside on plastic chairs, watching taxis disappear. The city wasn't beautiful, but it felt beautiful from here. No perfect words, no perfect view, just midnight turning kind with you. And every little thing you said kept echoing in my head. Under the convenience store moon, I met you too soon, or maybe right on time, with your sleepy eyes on mine. Under the convenience store moon, the night felt soft and new. Nothing big was meant to start, but you walked into my heart. Maybe love can start with ramen, steam rising in the air. Maybe fate wears old sneakers and waits beside a chair. No roses, no slow dance, just one unexpected chance. If you come here again someday, I hope you look my way. Under the convenience store moon, I met you too soon, or maybe right on time, with your quiet smile on mine. Under the convenience store moon, the city hummed a little tune. Nothing big was meant to start, but you stayed inside my heart. Convenience store moon, neon on your face, 2 cups of warm coffee made the night feel safe. Daisies by the door, sunlight on the floor. You smile like springtime, and I wanted nothing more. I walked in for one small flower, just to brighten up my room. Then you turned around so softly, like the morning found its bloom. There were roses on the counter, tulips leaning toward the light. But the way you said hello made the whole shop feel bright. No big moment, no surprise, just a quiet pair of eyes, and a little gentle sound of my heart slowing down. By the daisies by the door, I felt something I ignored. A little hope, a little blue, turning warm because of you. By the daisies by the door, I don't know what I came for, but I left with more than flowers. I left thinking about you. You wrapped the stems in paper, tied a ribbon soft and green. Asked me if they were for someone, I said maybe just for me. You laughed like falling petals, street outside for a minute, standing there. No perfect line, no perfect plan, just your fingers near my hand, and every color in the room started feeling new. By the daisies by the door, I felt something I ignored. A little hope, a little blue, turning warm because of you. By the daisies by the door, I don't know what I came for, but I left with more than flowers. I left thinking about you. Maybe love can start with springtime in a shop on a quiet street. Maybe love is just a stranger making ordinary feel sweet. If I pass this way tomorrow, I might need another bloom, or maybe just a reason to stand close again to you.